In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Revolut Bank to PayPal Business. If you want to move money from PayPal into your Revolut Business account, the key is to add your Revolut Business bank details inside PayPal first. Once those details are saved and verified, transfers become straightforward. Before you start, make sure you're using a Revolut Business account, not a personal one, since PayPal treats them differently. One important rule to remember is that the bank details you provide must match the region where your PayPal business account was opened. PayPal verifies this, and if the region doesn't line up, the link won't go through. For example, if your PayPal account is registered in the United Kingdom, you'll need to add your local GBP details, namely the sort code and account number provided by Revolut Business. The same idea applies elsewhere. Use the local account details PayPal asks for that correspond to your registered region and currency. Here's how to add those details in PayPal. First, log into your PayPal business account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the section for banks and funding sources. It's typically labeled banks, and it's where all your linked bank accounts live. Next, choose Add a New Bank. PayPal will prompt you for your business bank information. Enter your Revolut business account details carefully. Make sure the legal business name, the account holder name, and the account numbers match exactly what appears in your Revolut business account. Small typos can cause verification delays, so double check everything before submitting. After you submit, PayPal will send a small deposit to that bank account, and the transaction will include a short confirmation code. This is a standard verification step and can take up to a few days to arrive, depending on banking timelines. Keep an eye on your Revolut business transactions during this period. When the small deposit shows up in your Revolut business transactions, note the confirmation code in the transaction description. Return to PayPal and enter that exact code where prompted. Once the code is accepted, your bank account will be linked and ready to receive withdrawals from PayPal. A quick eligibility note: PayPal currently accepts Revolut business accounts registered in a specific list of countries. These include the United Kingdom, Austria, Belgium, Cyprus, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Ireland, Italy, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, Netherlands, Portugal, Slovakia, Slovenia, and Spain. If your business is based outside these locations, you may need to use a different bank or check back later for updates. And that's it. With your Revolut business account linked, you can transfer funds from PayPal with confidence.